Hi everyone, so today is a Monday and it's 11. Get ready with me kasi I'm going back to the dorm. I'm just gonna do a simple makeup look. Something na that you can do every day, I don't have the other products because I left it there. I already practiced the look nung yesterday. Kagabi. Usually, I go to school barefaced, so I wanna spice it up a little. Still a lip tint body. So this is the look. The camera doesn't show it. I'm going to show you the perfume that I am going to use. I am a Victoria's Secret user. This is the Love Spell from Victoria's Secret, and the usual na I'm using talaga in my everyday is the Vanilla Lace. So I have a Vanilla Lace with the same amount pa nito and Love Spell. And when I woke up, my grandma handed me this one. It's very cute. And I love the smell. It's very cutesy. You know what I mean? And super cute din ng niya. It's a glass. This is from Sweet Honesty by Avon. Thank you very much, mommy. Nanay pala. So this is what I'm gonna use today. Kasi gusto ko siya i-try. And I have a lot of perfumes, and I am planning to give away to my sister, pero I can't let go of the Vanilla Lace because I love the vanilla. Also, I love this one. This is from my cousin. Ang super ganda ng smell. And I cannot let go this one, of course, because it's new. Hi guys! Update! I'm here na. Kanina pa ako dito, mga 3. It's already 5 p.m. and yun kasi nag-phone lang ako. But yeah.
Para sa lahat ng mga itlog dyan, sa lahat ng mga buhay natin, para sa mga luso.
Imo pala siya ayaw. Ano, hindi niyo gusto sa imo. Baya ba video man ni.
Wala, siyempre. May nakikita. O sa tamang kapanahon, buambot ng cute ang puno. Isang lagi, kabila ko, ikaw ang nakangihap ko. Dili babanawon, magulat ko sa muon, kung halos na pwede na itong buhay.